Hello, hi, namaste. I'm Santanu Gaur. I'm welcome you to my YouTube channel. So before starting this video, I want to tell you that, and I want to make it very clear that this session is going to be in English, because I'm going to share a few tricks and a few tips also to which is gonna help you to improve your speaking skills. Because what we are going to discuss in this video is about improve your English skills just by 4 tips. I'm gonna share you the 4 tips which gonna help you to improve your speaking skills. Just by these learning 4 tips, you can enhance and you can maneuverability your speaking skills, which is gonna help you. So as you know that being born in India, it's very important and it's very crucial nowadays to learn a new language like foreign language or like British language, because everybody's mind, there was a mindset that if we don't know English, if we unable to make a conversation with someone else in English to English, that person is considered as illiterate persons. That means he is then and there is rejected by that particular persons if he is try to getting a job. So the things is the 4 tips that is gonna help you to learn your speaking skills and to propagate your English skills just by 4 tips. And that is, the first one is L. I mean there was a mantra, there was a incantation which you have to chant every day. Those 4 tips: LSRW. L stands for listening, R stands for reading, S stands for speaking, and W stands for writing. So just by perceiving those 4 culture LSRW, you can be very easily understand, and you can very easily help and you can be very easily make a good transformation to yourself. So what is the benefit of learning those 5 tips? I'm gonna share to you right now. So first is L. L means listening. If we are join to a spoken English classes, because nowadays everyone is just running to improve their speaking skills to an institution like spoken English. So wherever he goes, that doesn't make any sense, or that doesn't make any effect. The main thing is whether the teacher is telling to that student, to that particular student, to the individual students, but the thing is, does the individual perceive that particular element by the listening skills? That's the thing that we have to notice, that we have to learn. So the thing is, first is listening. If our listening power is capable enough, then we can be very easily and with a very short of time we will be able to learn English. Because listening, if our listening skill is very empowerment, then our brain captures that language very easily and with a very short time. Okay, then second point is speaking. So before moving on speaking, I want to tell you reading, because reading is also plays an undue and an exorbitant important in learning a new language like English. So listening skills is important, then comes to the reading skills. After reading, because just by reading many articles, many newspapers, essays, anything else, we will able to different kinds of pronunciation. We will be acquainted different kind of pronunciations. If we read, then we will come across many perplexing words in our day-to-day life. Okay, then comes to the writing. If we write a language, then we will become a master of that. Okay, now the last one is speaking. That's the most important, and that's the most exorbitant when it has to be spoken about speaking. Because if we speak in our day-to-day life, tell you that what is English. Now English is a foreign language, it's an Anglo-Saxon language. So the thing is, whatever you learn, how many grammar rules you can be learn it by heart, but the thing is, you have to question by yourself, have I ever tried to speak that language in my day-to-day life? That's the thing that you have to do. You can Google and you can search many new different kind of sentences which we usually in our day-to-day life. So those sentences, what you have to do is to practice those sentences and try to manipulate those sentences and try to use that sentences in your day-to-day life in a particular conversation with a particular person. Then you will be able to learn that language very easily and very short time. So what you have to do is practice and speak whatever you want to do, whatever you want to speak, what knowledge comes to your mind, those all you have to do, speak it out. That's all you have to do. First of all, you will make mistakes, but after that it will be habit of you and you will be able to correct it. Then you will manage to do how to speak that sentence in a correct way in a particular situation. So what you have to do is the 4 tips that I have shared right now, LSRW, you have to follow it, then you will be able to speak those language. Thank